The father describes his relationship with his son in the first stanza. He says that although he has lived for so many years in the same house with his son, he is not able to understand the latter now that he is grown up. The father tries to build up a good relationship with his son. His approach is similar to how he used to communicate with his son during his childhood. Though we see a sense of despair from the father's end to reach out to his son, we also perceive a lack of a suitable communication strategy to appeal to the latter's attention. The father also doubts the upbringing of his son. He fears that he might have done something to sabotage the relationship with his son. The thread of communication might have broken due to his untoward behavior with his son. The word land is used to represent the two different worlds father and son are inhabiting. It is a metaphorical expression of how alien and strange the son appears to his father. The father confesses that their conversations have no mutual understanding, and they talk like strangers. His son shares his blood and genetic features by birth, but the father cannot still figure out the former's likes and dislikes. The poem depicts the feelings of hopelessness and anguish the father feels. His voice has a tone of eagerness which stems from sorrow and fear. The fear that he might never be able to know his son again. The father's desperation to bond with his son is such that he would rather see his prodigal son return home than see him create a future of his own somewhere else. He does not want to be estranged from his son. The father resolves to reform his behavior towards his son. He decides to forgive him and forget all differences between them. The father plans to shower love on his son, love that arises out of the sorrow the former has experienced. The father understands that he and his son have to live in the same world and place. The problem arises when there is a clash of temperaments between the two. The father does not understand why he experiences anger while talking to his son. This anger results from his grievous experience with his son. The relationship between the father and son seems unresolvable. Forgiveness seems to be a long way for both. Father and son both expect each to forgive the other, but no one seems to take the first step.